Most guys get dating wrong. They think being the perfect nice guy will win her over, but it usually backfires. Chasing, overgiving, and always being available actually make you seem less valuable. Predictability kills attraction. You become the safe, boring option she forgets. If you're tired of giving everything and getting nothing, it's time to flip the script. This isn't about being a jerk, it's about becoming magnetic by valuing yourself. In this video, you'll learn how to spark real obsession by changing how you show up. Let's dive in. Rule number 1, stop chasing. When you're always available, you signal your time isn't valuable. High-value women want men who value themselves, not guys desperate for approval. Chasing is needy energy. It kills attraction. Instead, focus on your own life, your goals, your friends, your passions. Let her wonder what you're up to. Let there be space and silence. You're not the pursuer, you're the prize. Your attention is valuable. Don't give it away for free. Be warm and engaging when you're with her, but have your own priorities when you're not. Confidence and self-assurance are irresistible. When you stop chasing, she starts to wonder about you. That's when the dynamic shifts. She starts investing, even if just in her mind. Stop chasing and watch her curiosity and attraction grow. Obsession is born from uncertainty, not comfort. When everything is predictable, the mind relaxes. But when there are questions left hanging in the air, curiosity takes root and grows. It's the unanswered questions, the subtle mysteries, that linger in someone's thoughts long after the night is over. Give her just enough to feel a connection, to sense that there's something special between you, but always leave a little bit unsaid. Let her feel the warmth of your attention, but don't lay all your cards on the table at once. When you hold back just enough, you create a space for her imagination to fill in the blanks. She'll replay your words, your glances, and your silences, searching for meaning in every detail. That's where fascination begins. On dates, be present and charismatic, fully engaged in the moment. But don't be afraid to let a little mystery linger. Share stories, but leave out the ending. Ask questions, but don't always answer hers right away. Let her feel that you're interested, but not entirely available. And when the evening is at its best, end the night first, even if it's going well. Leave her wanting more, let her feel the spark of anticipation as you say goodnight. The best moments are the ones that end just a little too soon, leaving her wondering what might have happened if you'd stayed. Let her wonder why you left at the peak. That question will echo in her mind, making her crave the next encounter. She'll find herself thinking about you, replaying the night and imagining what comes next. In conversation, be intriguing. Compliment her in a way that's mysterious, not obvious. Instead of the usual flattery, notice something unique about her, something she doesn't hear every day. Make her wonder what you really mean, and she'll keep coming back for more. Don't reveal your whole story at once, let her earn each new chapter. Share glimpses of your life, but keep some details tucked away. The more she learns, the more she'll want to know. Let her feel that there's always another layer to discover. Just like a great novel, your story should unfold slowly, each page revealing something new, but never everything at once. The anticipation of what's next is what keeps her turning the pages. The push-pull dynamic keeps her engaged and invested. When you give her attention, then pull back just a little, you create a rhythm that's both exciting and addictive. She'll find herself drawn in, wanting to get closer, to understand you better. Security is the enemy of obsession. When everything is certain, the mind loses interest. If she knows exactly how you feel and what you'll do next, the excitement fades. But when there's a hint of unpredictability, her desire grows. A little uncertainty fuels desire. When she's not sure when you'll text or what you'll say next, she'll find herself checking her phone, waiting for your message, feeling that rush of anticipation. She should feel confident when you're together, enjoying your presence and the connection you share. But when you're apart, let her wonder what you're thinking, what you're doing, and when she'll see you again. The unanswered questions will keep her mind busy, replaying your conversations, analyzing your words, and imagining what's next. That's the power of mystery. The more she tries to figure you out, the more she thinks about you. Every unanswered question becomes a thread she wants to unravel. Every moment apart becomes a puzzle she wants to solve. That's how obsession grows, through the artful use of mystery, anticipation, and the unanswered question. When you master this, you'll find that you're never far from her thoughts. Attraction thrives on novelty, not routine. Predictability breeds boredom. So break your patterns. Skip the usual texts, surprise her with new experiences, and keep your life dynamic. Your life should be an unfolding story, not a repetitive script. Be spontaneous, try new things, go on adventures, and let her see you're always evolving. Vary your availability. Sometimes you're busy, sometimes you're free. Lead with confidence, plan dates, make decisions, and keep her guessing. Show a range of emotions and sides of your personality. When she can't predict your next move, she stays engaged. Make your life so interesting she feels lucky to be part of it. Be the source of excitement she can't resist. The most attractive men are already fulfilled and on a mission. Don't make her the center of your universe. Build your own kingdom first. Have a purpose, passion, and direction that drive you every day. She wants to join your adventure, not be your entire world. The needy man seeks validation. The purpose-driven man invites her into greatness. Build a life you love. Career, health, hobbies, and strong friendships. When you're happy and whole, dating becomes an accessory, not a necessity. She'll sense your abundance mindset and want to earn her place in your world. Your time and attention become gifts, not guarantees. Operate from self-respect and know your worth. Build the kingdom. The queen will come. Most men chase, but the rare man flips the script and lets her chase him. When you step back and focus on your own life, you become intriguing. She starts to wonder about you and she starts to chase. Build a life full of purpose and passion. When she invests, texts first, suggests plans, tries to impress you, reward her effort, but don't become needy or overly available. Maintain your frame. Your life comes first. She needs to feel she could lose you. This drives her to invest more. When she works to win you, she values you more. Effort creates value. Don't be a jerk. Just be a man whose attention is a prize. Let her wonder. Let her chase. The man who is chased lives in her thoughts and becomes her obsession. Most guys never get here. Be the exception. Attractive women are constantly bombarded with attention, texts, notifications, compliments. Most of it is fleeting and forgettable, blending into background noise. What truly stands out is a man with a grounded, masculine presence. He's calm, confident, and unwavering, like an oak tree in a storm. He doesn't chase validation or react impulsively. Instead, he responds thoughtfully, holding his ground with clear boundaries and quiet strength. You don't bend to please others or get pulled into drama. Your self-control and discipline set you apart. When challenged, you respond with playful confidence, not defensiveness. You lead with decisiveness, allowing her to relax and trust your direction. This presence isn't about tactics, it's about deep, inner work and authenticity. When you invest in yourself, your energy speaks before you do. Women are drawn to this rare combination of strength, playfulness, and authenticity. That's what makes you unforgettable. Your unshakable presence leaves a lasting impression, long after you've left the room. This isn't about playing games, it's about embodying the traits women are drawn to on a deep level. Stop asking, "What can I do to get her?" and start asking, "Who do I need to become?" Obsession is a byproduct of being the strongest, most purpose-driven version of yourself. If you see yourself as the prize, she will too. Validate yourself, build your kingdom, and become the man. The obsession will follow naturally. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.